Thinking about switching your car insurance? Today we're diving into TD Insurance, one of Canada's largest providers. But is it the right fit for you? Let's break it down. So, if you're shopping for car insurance, TD Insurance has probably popped up in your search. But beyond the name recognition, is it actually worth your money? First is let's start with the pros. First is its competitive pricing. TD offers multi-vehicle and bundling discounts that can save you real money. Next is online convenience. You can get quotes, file claims, and manage policies completely online. And lastly is the affinity discounts. Are you a member of a professional group or alumni association? You might qualify for even lower rates. Now, it's not all smooth driving. Next are the cons. First is mixed customer service reviews. While some praise the smooth claim process, others report delays and poor communication. Next are the limited physical branches. If you prefer in person service, options are slim. And lastly, is not the best for high risk drivers. TD may not offer competitive rates if you've had recent tickets or claims. So, should you choose TD Insurance? If you're a low risk driver, value online tools, and qualify for group discounts, TD can be a solid choice. But if customer support is a deal breaker, you might want to compare quotes elsewhere first. Bottom line, TD insurance works well for many Canadians, but like any insurer, it's not one size fits all. Get the quote, read the fine print, and choose what's right for you. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now we'll see you again on the next one. Bye!